Hi, and welcome to another episode of Sustainment TV. I'm your host, David McDonald, and before we get into today's video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to my channel. It really will help the channel grow. Feel free to leave comments also. Let me know what I can do better. Alright, so we're going to go right into it. Today's video, we will be preparing corn pudding. Corn pudding is one of those dishes. It's kind of like a comfort food. It's popular in the South, but I mean, you can eat it wherever you live. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Our ingredients list will include 1 can of whole kernel corn, a can of cream corn, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 package of Jiffy corn muffin mix. You need half a cup of butter or margarine, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of 2% milk. Okay, first of all, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 325. The prep time for this is about 15 to 20 minutes, and then your bake time is going to be 45 minutes. In reference to your bake time, you want to make sure that the top is a golden brown. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with mixing our ingredients. What we want to do in our mixing bowl is we want to cream our butter and our sugar until light and fluffy in about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now once you have combined your sugar and your butter, what you want to do is you want to add your eggs in. You want to do it 1 egg at a time. You put 1 egg in, you know, you'll mix it, and then you add the other egg. So let's do that. Okay, once we have the eggs mixed into the mixture, we'll want to add our sour cream. Now, once we have our sour cream added, we're going to add our 1/2 cup of milk. We're also going to add our muffin mix. Okay, once you've added in your muffin mix and your milk, you can go ahead and add in your corn. You'll do that 1 can at a time. You basically fold it over, continue to blend the mixture, and then add the other one. We'll do that at this time. With your whole kernel corn, you want to ensure that you drain it before adding it to your mixture. For purpose of making the corn pudding today, I chose to use just a large beating spoon. You can use also a hand mixer if you want to make things a little easier for yourself. So just a note. So now that I have combined all the ingredients and have it to a nice creamy consistency, I'm going to now add it to my baking dish. You want to use a minimum of a 3-quart baking dish. With the amount of product that we have combined in our bowl, we have enough for about 8 servings. So we're going to add it to our baking dish, and then we're going to put it in our oven that has been preheated at 325. You want to bake this uncovered at 325 for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Okay, so I've taken it out of the oven. I ended up leaving it in for about 60 minutes actually in order to get the color and consistency that we wanted. As you can see, there's a picture of it. It's about 400 calories a serving, 7 grams of protein. It's nice and filling. Comfort food. It pairs real well with several dishes. Would love to hear in your comments what types of comfort food that you like to cook. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.